It's estimated that there are more than 2.7 million of Americans suffering from schizophrenia. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to our #1 talk show, Our World on Psychology. Last week, we covered on obsessive-compulsive disorder, and today, we'll be touching on schizophrenia. Now, let's watch a short clip as an introduction to this illness, when some of the common misconceptions will be addressed and clarified.
It's bipolar, like two different personalities. Despite the translated derivation of the word, which is split mind in Greek, schizophrenia is not a case of multiple personalities, nor is it a state of thinking two opposite things at once. Rather, the key features of this illness is a split from reality people experience when they believe in their delusions or perceive hallucinations.
It's an illness that cannot be cured, and it's a lifelong thing, and you will get sicker and sicker until you die.
Most individuals who develop a schizophrenic psychotic disorder will have a chronic illness. The severity of positive, negative, cognitive, and mood symptoms is highly variable, as is the severity of social and vocational disability. Long-term outcome varies from sustained recovery to recurrent episodes with recovery in between, to varying severity of chronic, disabling, and residual symptoms. The effects on people differ on a case-by-case basis.
I think schizophrenic people are violent and they like to hit people around because they have an unstable mind.
Media, whether through movies or exaggerated reports of individual acts, have made us believe that schizophrenic people are likely to commit extremely violent acts. On the contrary, reports have shown that schizophrenic people who receive regular treatment are no more dangerous than the general public. However, it is true that people who do not receive treatment have a more increased risk for violence.
Now that we have cleared up the misconceptions, what then is schizophrenia? Schizophrenia is not a disorder of split personality, but rather a disorder of fragmented mental processes. It's a major psychotic illness. Many suffering from schizophrenia will usually have suffered the symptoms of psychosis for at least 6 months before seeking help. Sufferers will have experienced a deterioration in interpersonal relationships and in daily functioning at school or at work. Although it can affect anyone at any age, its onset is usually in adolescence or young adulthood. Schizophrenia affects men and women equally. Schizophrenia causes the alteration of pathway and deviation of neurotransmitters from their normal arrangement. Neurotransmitters are believed to misfire and alter the chemical balance of the brain, leading to behavioral problems. Schizophrenia further impairs behavior because it prevents the brain from developing particular stigmata. Stigmata are patterns within the brain that represent and control different areas. Social and cognitive areas particularly suffer loss due to